Hey everyone, welcome back to another Merly on Time. My name is Chris, and right off the start, if you are enjoying these videos, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, as well as like this video. Helps with all of that YouTube algorithm stuff that I don't really understand too much right now. At any rate, today I'm really excited to be showing you a budget chronograph watch that I picked up. I picked it up on Joma Shop. I'll link a description below to where you can get this watch if you want to get the same watch. And it is one that when I saw it, I was just scrolling through my Facebook feed, and because I love watches and because I watch a lot of YouTube videos on watches, all of my advertisements on Facebook now, guess what they are? They're watches. And so there was a Joma Shop ad, and I bought two watches from Joma Shop. One is still on the way. I had to return one of them, but I'm waiting for it to come back. But at any rate, this watch kind of appeared on the Joma Shop ad, and as soon as I saw it, I went right to the Joma Shop website, got a zoom in of the image, and I had to get it. I think it is a really beautiful piece. It's certainly not an expensive piece, and it has a lot going on the dial. There are 4 complications on this dial, and the color and the way that the color plays with the light and the sunburst effect on the dial is just absolutely wonderful to look at. And of course, when I get a watch, the very first thing that I consider before buying it isn't the price, it's how it looks. Then it's the price. And I've been turned away from quite a few watches because of the price, but this one is definitely a buyable watch. It's certainly cheap enough. I bought it for just over 80 Canadian dollars. And so let's turn the camera around and have a look at it. I think you're going to like this one too. All right, so what I am showing you today is the Akribos 24, and this is a watch again I got off Joma Shop. But before we pop this open, I do want to do a wrist check. I am wearing my Sterling Original. I won this. I didn't win it. I bought this on the Watch Gang Wheel of Watches. Ironic name, Sterling Original. It is clearly an homage of a Rolex Daytona, so not very original. But at any rate, the reason I wore that is because based on my research, Akribos is a sister company to Sterling, and so came in some pretty decent packaging. You cannot get this watch on Akribos website anymore, but I will link the description to Joma Shop. It's still available there, and as of today's filming, it's still there for $60 US, which translated after I bought it with the Canadian conversion to Canadian dollars and paying duty and taxes. I prepaid them just over $80 for this. So Akribos 24, and let's just pop this open here. Interestingly enough, came with this tag, and you'll see that the MRSP for this watch is $465. Absolutely zero chance that this watch is worth that much. Came with the Akribos warranty card and little instruction on the chronograph, and Joma Shop actually sent a certificate of authenticity as well. But anyway, here is the watch, and boy, when I saw this, I just absolutely had to have it. It is absolutely beautiful, and you can see the sunburst effect. I will show a shot of it outside as well on the dial there. Green dial. Let's just run through the specifications. It's a 41 millimeter diameter for the case size, and it is 12 mil thick, and the band is 22 mil. The clasp has some branding on it as well, and it just comes on a supplied stainless steel mesh bracelet. I absolutely love this bracelet. First mesh bracelet that I have gotten on a watch. Certainly not going to be the last. Wears super comfortable. I'll give you a shot of the case back there. It is a sapphire coated mineral crystal. The water resistance on this, just splash proof. Just 30 meters water resistance, so no swimming with this one. And I just wanted to highlight the complications on the watch. It is a chronograph, so at the 12 o'clock you've got 1/100th of a second that it's going to measure. You've got the second 60-second complication on the 6 o'clock. You have the 60-minute complication on the 9 o'clock. When you start the chronograph by pushing the top pusher, you'll see that the complication at the 6 is rotating, and every 2 seconds you'll see everything move in there. Not bad. Japanese quartz movement inside this watch. Of course, push it again to stop it, and then push that to reset it. Interestingly enough as well, and I'll stop the time here, pulling out the crown. You can see on the 3 o'clock here, it's got a moon phase complication. Really, it's not a true moon phase complication, but what it does is it just shows you, well, let's just back up to high noon here, and you can see the sun is shining, and right in the center. So that's 12 p.m. and as you wind this around, you'll see the sun will start to disappear, and out come the nice stars, and at midnight you'll get the moon for 12 a.m. So more or less, not really a true moon phase complication, but it is just an AM PM indicator, more or less. I love the use of the Roman numerals at the 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and then applied indices for the rest of the minute markers. Just really beautiful looking piece. I'm going to show you a shot of it outdoors now. You can really see the Lume effect on this watch from outdoors, and so here it is outside, and just watch the way that the sun reflects off of this dial. That's just beautiful. A really amazing looking watch outside. Absolutely love the watch. Just beautiful. So yeah, there it is, guys. Oh, a little bit of a glitch in my camera, I think, maybe. Just a beautiful little piece. Again, it costs 80 Canadian dollars, 60 US dollars on Joma Shop. I'll link it in the description. And I'll just show you a wrist shot of it now. Okay, guys, so here it is on my 7 1/4 inch wrist. Again, I love this mesh bracelet, and definitely going to be getting more of those for other watches. And just take a look at the sunburst effect off of that green dial waving around in the lights. It's just absolutely beautiful. It's a great looking piece. I just love looking down on my wrist and seeing this one on wrist. It's just wonderful to look at. And if you want to add this to your collection for 60 US dollars, just over 80 Canadian dollars, I don't think you can go wrong. So this is a great looking watch that you can add to your collection. It is a pleasure, as I said, to look down and see the colors and the vibrancy of this watch, and you can get it at a really great price. I'll put a link in the description of the video for Joma Shop for where you can buy this particular watch. Again, at the time of filming, it is still sitting at 60 US dollars. A great budget chronograph to add to your collection. Great bracelet, great look. It is just it's a pleasure to wear this one. And so thanks for watching again, guys. Please like, please subscribe, and always remember, when you go out, make sure you have a great looking piece on your wrist, and make sure that wherever you're going, you get there on time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.